So I was just watching a stylist on TikTok talk about, yes, I'll be watching TikTok, guys, talking about clients being late. And then I seen a video about um clients being upset about stylists being late. I'm not one of those stylists that be late. Um, but I just want to speak for the stylist perspective right now. Coming from a stylist that don't be late. And if I do, I communicate with my clients. So, as a braider stylist, I will cancel you. I will cancel you if you are at least 10 minutes, 15 minutes late with zero communication. Sometimes even if you communicate, because if we scheduled this appointment a while ago, I need you to be on time. Because what you're not realizing is it's going to take a long time to get your hair done. It's just one me. You're not at like the African shops with like 2-3 people braiding on your hair. It's just me. And time is money. So I've had a client, story time real quick. I had a client, she acted like she had no idea her appointment was the time it was supposed to. And as I'm reaching out to her to say, hey, what's going on? She's like ignoring me. Then she texts me like, I'm almost there. I said, do not come. She comes anyway. And I'm like, I'm done. You all don't understand, to prepare to stand for hours, and I love what I do, but to prepare to stand and just get in that mode of like, I'm about to do this. You be kind of be empty yourself. I'm about to braid. I'm about to do this. I'm about to slay this. And then for you to be late, like I could feel myself dwindling. Like, all right, yep, and then the attitude come. I can get 10 minutes. Kind of like at the doctor's appointment. They give you like a 15-minute grace period. But what y'all don't be understanding that sometimes it's not the fact that you're late. Sometimes I'll be happy when my clients are late. Because to be honest, I'll be like, dang, I ain't amped myself up yet. I ain't did. But it's when you do not communicate and then show up like, my appointment is now. It's like, girl, you are 20, 30 minutes. I'm not in the mood. Not only that, if it's 10 minutes, if you did not communicate, I'm all the way done. Because you just like disrespected me. I'm done. Time is money. And then I just started doing like deposits. I wasn't really big on deposits, especially now that I hear that people are getting scammed. I wasn't really big on it. But now I'm like, yeah, I need a deposit, a non-refundable deposit. Because that no-show, I had you big mad. Because we be happy, about our coins. I just wanted to get that off my chest. So, I guess another Hair Talk Thursday. If you leave a comment if you agree or disagree as a stylist or, a client. I just feel like communication is really the key to all of the... And not only that, most braiders have several people, or hairstylists several people behind. So when that one client is behind, it throws off the entire day. And that's where the attitude comes from. But again, I'm not one of them stylists that be late. And if I am late, it's by 10 minutes, the grace period. Or I communicate, like something happened, etc., etc., as I would like my client to. So I hope this all makes sense. I just wanted to do a quick rant. Yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. I just had to speak up for us, a stylist out here. All right, peace.